model, 2020 Citroen Berlingo 1000 Worker Blue 1.5 HDI 18K Genuine Low Miles No VAT Bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 18,896. MOT, the 17th of December 2025. Engine, 1499 cc DV5 RERDE2. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash, damage repaired 3 years ago, now it's perfect, absolute bargain with no VAT. Condition summary, interior is extremely clean and tidy, almost feels brand new. Rear load area looks virtually unused with plenty life in it. Features, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, Cat S in 2022.